Munshiari is situated in the Pithogarh district, nestled in the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas, affording splendid vistas of natural beauty. This place is also called Trekker's Paradise. It's also entitled to the Little Kashmir. Day 5. Journey starts for Munshiari. Distance from Kaushani to Munshiari is 163 km. It will take 6 hours to reach Munshiari. You have to spend your rest of the day at your hotel. So try to book such hotels or resorts from where you can experience the scenic beauty of the snow-capped mountain. Day 6. Go for Munshiari sightseeing. Start with Panchachuli Peaks. The Panchachuli Peaks are a group of 5 snow-capped mountain peaks lying at the end of the Munshiari. From here, you can get stunning panoramic views of the sun-kissed peaks. It's a never-to-miss captivating view that add charms and delight to this place. Then visit Nanda Devi Temple. It's just next to Panchachuli viewpoint. This temple is dedicated to goddess Nanda or Parvati. It's 3 km from Munshiari, perched at 7,500 feet. The entry fee for the temple complex is 20 rupees per person. Then move ahead to Tribal Heritage Museum. This museum showcases cultural traditions and lifestyle of Bhotiyal people residing in the Himalayan valleys of Kumaon. A various of artifacts like household items, wooden utensils, bags are kept here. There is also a segment displaying ancient coins, stamps, ancient literature. Entry fee is 10 rupees per person. Then go to Birthi Falls. This falls is 35 km from Munshiari. The way to these falls go through a small trek, so you need to park your vehicle a little bit far from the falls. A large number of tourists visit Birthi Falls for rare varieties of butterflies and sparrows. Then move forward to Khalia Top. It's a meandering meadow surrounded by snowy peaks, offering an awe-inspiring view of the mystical land of Kumaon. It's the best place for trek lovers. Then you can visit Thamri Kund. It's a natural lake and is one of the most ravishing freshwater lakes in the entire region of Kumaon Valley. It's a great point for trekkers. Then visit the Madcot. It's situated at 5 km from Munshiari. Madcot is popular for its natural springs of hot water. It's believed that the water is capable of healing diseases. Then you can go to Kalamuni Top. This tourist spot is 14 km ahead from Munshiari at an elevation of 9,600 feet. It's an important religious center for locals as the temple is dedicated to god Kali. This is how your day 6 tour will end here. Day 7, you have to go down from Munshiari to Kathgodam, which is 278 km. So the entire road journey cannot be covered in day 7. You have to spend one night at Dhaulchina. On the way to Dhaulchina, you can stop at Binsar and visit Binsar forest. The forest is surrounded by beautiful rhododendron and oak trees. You can stay at Ma Anandamayi guest house in Dhaulchina. Day 8, early morning, you can visit the Chitai Goludevta Mandir. The temple is dedicated to Lord Shiva. This is how your entire trip will end here. Then move forward to Kathgodam for return train and Patnagar or Delhi airport for return flight. I have mentioned few hotels for Munshiari night stay. Best season to visit Uttarakhand is March to June and September to October. If you want to experience snowfall, then visit in December or February end. And if you want to experience the pleasant sunny weather with Tulip Garden of Munshiari, then visit in April or May. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hope this video is informative for you guys. We'll come back soon with next video. Stay safe, wear mask.